Hey guys, today let's learn how to send a big file in Messenger. So if you'd like to go ahead and send a big file through the Messenger application, one of the quickest ways for us to do this is instead of just sending it directly through Messenger, my advice is to send it first on Google Drive or upload it first onto your Google Drive. Now, Google Drive is a free application for you to use. All you need to do is to log on to your Gmail accounts and then create an account on Google Drive, so that you can easily upload your files through there. This is because on Messenger, the largest file size that you could actually send through there is only up to 25 megabytes. And that's a pretty small amount to send some large files. So if you want to go ahead and send larger files than 25 megabytes, my advice is to go on Google Drive and then upload your files through here first and then send the link over to Messenger. So if you want to go ahead and send the link, supposedly let's assume that this is the file that you'd like to go ahead and send, just tap on over here on manage access or share, and then you could actually now tap on this three dots icon to manage the access. Now you could copy the link by tapping on here and then changing the access with anyone with the link. So anyone with the link could view, comment, or edit. So if you set it to view, of course the person could only view the file and not download it. But if you want to go ahead and have the person download the file as well, just set it to editor. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.